Hey guys, hey. How are you guys doing? Is you guys doing? I'm listening to the Man of La Mancha. Man of La Mancha. I don't like this song. Yeah. Dulcinea. Dulcinea. Adrian. I love musicals. You guys should know that. So, um, I've had 99.5 and then up to 103 last night before I took Tylenol. So, I'm not really feeling the best, but I'm okay. Seasonal, seasonal allergies. Plus, I haven't been outside. This is cleaning the kitchen, so I'm cool. It's cool. It's cool. Um, I'm just not feeling all that great. Um, Enough to clean the kitchen. Tonight I'm making chicken tacos, so the kitchen has to be clean. I don't cook in a dirty kitchen. Um, Fuck, man, I feel like shit. Blah, 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 blah. So, I'll show you a couple things. So, this is my favorite apple juice. This one is my favorite apple juice. Out of all the apple juices that you could possibly have, I love this one. No additives. Um, Grown in the United States. 100% pure apple juice, not made from concentrate, right? Nope, not made from concentrate. So this is like legit just apple juice. I fucking love this apple juice. Matter of fact, I might have a little bit of it because I have one in the fridge. Um, like I said, I haven't touched anything. I want like just a little bit. Um, I'm weird. Like I drink out of little cups and stuff like that. I just like I don't see the use of making a whole cup. Like, woo, yeah, that is straight up apple juice. I bought the um, I bought the Skittles drink packet. I tried the strawberry. Maybe if I mix it with lemon juice, I might like it, like a lemonade. But so far, I'm not that impressed. If you don't know, we got a new truck. I got a new truck. One that won't break down. The one doesn't leave oil stains on the ground. If you go to my Facebook or Instagram, you will see that there is like a 4 by 4 foot puddle of oil that has been spilt all over the driveway because it was a sieve. I'm a little winded today just because I'm kind of snotty. So don't flip out. I'm okay. I also wanted to show you, I picked up my Ativan. This is my 3 month Ativan. 360 of them for 3 months. My panic attacks and I sleep are, yeah, so 1 or 2 tablets by mouth every day is needed for anxiety and take 2 for bedtime. So literally I could take 4 of these a day. I don't, but lately I have been taking at least 3 a day. Like I took one before I went to go get coffee, and then I'll take 2 for bedtime. I understand. You gotta find shit to be happy about. Like, even if it's just shitty music, like that's what it is. If it's just shitty music that probably nobody else has heard but me, it's just makes me happy. Like, so I'm listening to that and drinking my appy juice. I like these bagels. Thomas bagels. Thomas bagels. I like them. I like them. I like to have one. I know I'm getting a cold because like I can't taste as much. So like I made one for breakfast and I was kind of like, but then again, I've been rather kind of put off food for like 2 days. I just don't really have much of an appetite. Like even this apple juice, I'm just kind of like drinking it because I poured it. But like I'm not like, oh fuck yeah, give me some apple juice, woo! I took a caffeine pill to give me some kind of motivation move. Ooh, let me show you. Is it this one? No. Wait, no, hold on. I think I might have it in the bathroom. Yeah. Have you guys ever used Ajax or like the abrasive stuff that you put in your like this mold and bleach from Kaboom? It leaves that abrasive film that you have to like really wash. I don't like it. I'll use it for like the shower and stuff, like the toilets and whatnot. But I was like, oh, I'll just clean the kitchen and shit with it. And then I felt I was like, oh man. So luckily when I braved the Walmart yesterday, because I was running out, they had the one that I like. So again, I'll point out this one is amazing. Kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. I don't know like how, but I like this. It really works on fucking everything. So if you get a chance, I suggest this one with OxiClean. I got it at Walmart. Of the woeful continents, the woeful continents. Ever you go, people shall know. Various ways of the woeful continents. Evelyn likes to make fun of me, so she goes Night of the Woeful Flatulence. Of the woeful flatulence, night of the woeful flatulence. Wherever she goes, people will know. Full flatulence. I'm like, thanks, babe. So nice. So kind of you. I appreciate that. She's just fucking with me, but yeah, like my gas is bad, y'all. It's pretty rough. I want to lay down. Of the woeful consonants, of the woeful consonants. I don't want that apple juice. Anyway, I need to clean my kitchen somewhat. So I'm just going to give you a just little picky uppy. Not really a big deal. Okay, so how is everybody? I want recipes. Like, I've asked you guys for recipes like 50 times and nobody sends me recipes. Recipes. Hook a girl up. Recipoidnums. Hook me up. I'm dying to figure out some new things to cook because right now I'm just kind of in a rut of like spaghetti, meatballs, chili, crap. More crap. I've been at this for 23 minutes and my heart rate is 121. I don't like this song. Excuse me. Alright. Excuse me. So I did. I forgot that was on. I got Simply ketchup, no artificial sweeteners in it. Um, I really don't eat that much ketchup to begin with, but I figured if I'm gonna pick up ketchup in general, like I might as well just make it fucking as good as it can get. Like that's kind of how I feel about it. I need to open up this package. Um, this is vitamins, so vitamins. Yeah. $63 a month. Well, this lasts me like 2 months, like two or 3 months. So I think this lasts me 3 months. So $63 for this one is the one I take, and it seems to do the trick. So if you guys are interested in a good multivitamin tablet, capsule, not tablet, this one is the one that I've been using for a long time, and it is worth the money. It is worth it. I have not had so much trash like to eat in like forever. Like I've just bought a whole bunch of garbage, like, and I know I shouldn't, but I have. Like that apple juice has no nutritional value whatsoever besides just sugar. I mean, I'm sure it's going to tell me it's got something in it. It's got potassium. Yep, it's got some potassium in it. And that's about it. I feel like hot ass on a stick. Y'all, hot damn it on a stick. So I'm going to start putting shit in the dishwasher real quick. So, this trash can thing doesn't hold trash. I only use it to bring dishes from upstairs to downstairs. So don't think that there's trash in it. And then I put my dishes in there because I don't. I gotta wash my big cup because if I am sick, I want a clean cup. So, and I do wash them in the dishwasher. I know a lot of people who don't. Each to your own, boo-boo. Like, you do what you gotta do. With these here, I find that it doesn't do anything bad. So, I'm just gonna continue to do it. I don't really suggest, what the fuck is that? Putting in your Starbucks cups in the dishwasher, only because I've ruined like 3 of them. So the ones I've already ruined, I don't mind continuing to do it. But yeah, I've ruined like 3 of them in there. Because I used to have it on like 1 hour heating, like 1 hour heat dry, and it totally ruined like my shit. So that was awesome. Fuck, man. I really feel fucking terrible. So tell me how you guys are feeling. Like, what's going on with you? Are any of you sick? Any of your family affected? If you wonder, like, if I'm not making videos, I am making videos, but I'm doing live feeds. So I haven't made like a video. This will be the first video I've made in a while. And it's not because I haven't made any. It's literally because I've just felt attacked. So I haven't felt comfortable enough to make an actual video. But I miss you guys. And I know a lot of you won't watch won't watch live feeds, and I don't blame you. So I thought I would make a video at least once a week, if not more than that, on just saying hi to the people who won't watch the other stuff. Though I do appreciate anybody who watches me, no matter what. Hold on a second. Playing Tetris over here. Maybe it would be better if I put it over here. Yeah, I just feel really terrible right now. I am very worried that Evelyn is going to get sick. I'm still really worried about Evelyn getting sick. I know that's everybody's worried that all their family's going to get sick. But I'm having like really bad panic attacks over her having to go back to work tomorrow. So just not having it. Not having it. But you know what? Like, essential people have to do what they have to do. And so I can't really complain. I did go to Walmart yesterday, and just in case you guys don't think about it, if you're going in places like that, those people are actually risking their lives to make sure that you get food. So saying thank you to these people is a really big deal. I noticed it last night when I said thank you to like the people who were in the who were putting stuff back on shelves. Like I said to the lady, I was like, thank you so much for all you do. And she looked at me and like I think she almost wanted to cry. I don't think people give enough credit to these poor people who are having to work to feed us. Sorry. I'm tired. It's not the Rona, okay? So just relax. So I promise you I'm okay. If I thought for 5 seconds I wasn't okay, we would be going to the doctor. I'm going to end up washing these by hand. Just because there's only like 3 of them. Yeah, I'm going to end up washing these by hand, so. I made something that was kind of good last night. I'll tell you about it. I found these. Hold on. I found these at Walmart. They're called Folios. Or these are called cheese wraps. So they're not technically the brand name Folio. And they're like really thin. You can see they're really thin pieces of cheese. This is the only kind they had. So I put anyway, so I put onions, which I shouldn't have because that made me sick. Raw onions make me sick even though I love them. Onions, turkey, and mustard, and a little bit of mayonnaise. So I folded that up and it was actually really good. And then I'll show you these again. They only sell them at Walmart that I know of. So I accidentally wasted 3 of them. They're already pre-cooked. They're natural hard work smoked, gluten-free, no MSG, made with premium cuts of beef. Beef sea salt contains 2 less flavorings, a little bit of sugar, cultured celery juice, celery powder, sea salt, lactic acid. These are really, really good. I really like these. So I picked up all that they had of those. Put this in here. Trying to think if I could fit this in there. I feel like I can, but I'm trying to figure out a way to do it. Ha! I win! I win! Excuse me. There we go. Like I said, I have asthma to begin with, so like my chest is just kind of like just a little out of breath. But nothing to be worried about yet. When there's something to worry about, I will be the first to tell you guys. Like if I end up going to the ER, or I'll end up taking my temperature when I go back upstairs. So if I'm still like over like 99 point whatever, I'm gonna call the nurse line and just let them know, and that I feel a little like winded. Let me go get the dogs. Come on. Alright, Saki's still using the bathroom. So anyway, anywho, all I'm literally gonna do, go lay down. Lay down. I'll go lay down. All I'm gonna do is really just wipe down the counters, and that's about it. But I wanted to show you the truck to see what you guys think. Hold on. Also wanted to show you my gym. Evelyn made that for me. So, hi baby. I'm showing everybody our truck. Here's our truck. Look at how much oil and fluid and stuff came from the other truck. That's why we had to get rid of it. Like it was time, like it was on its last leg. So oh, okay. So, just showing you my truck. This will get us across country, and it will be perfect and awesome. Everything looks great. Super excited. Like it has like an inside to it. She likes sitting in it for some reason. So I'm going to show you more of my gym. So we have the the rack, all these are in kg instead of pounds. So all of those, we have both the bars that we need. We have fitness bands. We have these to use. That's pretty much it, to be honest with you. Like, yeah. So, and then that's it, guys. So I'm just gonna finish up the kitchen. So if nobody told you today that they love you, if nobody told you today that they care about you, I'm trying to get Saki to come inside. Mom. But it's nice outside. I want to lay outside. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Saki. Come on. Thinking about it. So I'll sit down with you guys for a minute. So if nobody told you today that they love you, I do. If nobody told you today that they hope you're feeling fine, I hope so. If nobody told you today that I hope you stay safe and that everything's okay, I hope you stay safe. I hope everybody in your household, Yuki, get out of stuff. That everybody stays safe and everybody's going to be okay. I hope that nobody is sick, and if they are, they're in my thoughts and prayers. If nobody told you today that you are beautiful, I think you're beautiful. I know you're beautiful. I know you're kind and considerate and sweet, because you wouldn't be here otherwise. If nobody told you today that they want you to feel good, I want you to feel good. I want you to feel proud of yourself no matter what you've been able to do. You don't have to clean, you don't have to cook, you don't have to do anything. You just have to be yourself. If all you've done today is just roll over in bed and flip on the TV, and that's all you're going to do today, I'm still super proud of you. If you've gained weight, I'm still super proud of you. This is a very hard time. I understand how hard it is. So don't fret. Don't make yourself feel bad if you're gaining weight. Like, it's just life right now. We will get over this. Things will get better. So I love your beautiful, gorgeous, amazing faces. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day no matter where the hell you happen to be in the world. You are loved. You are wanted here. You're needed, and I would miss you. I would miss you if you were gone. Evelyn is fine. She seems to be doing okay. I'm sweating. She seems to be feeling fine and doing well. She goes back to work tomorrow. I will probably not work out at all today, just because, like I said, I'm feeling a little off. Feeling just a little bit kind of, but that doesn't mean anything. That just could mean that I have, my allergies are setting up, plus tonight is the full moon, and it's a big one. So, you know, there's a lot of times where I just don't feel good with the pressure, and that I'll start feeling better like tomorrow and the day after. So I'm not putting too much into, thinking, stop that I might be sick. So I'm just trying to stay positive. Right now, everybody really needs to try to stay positive and think about, hey, you know what? This is going to be okay. We're having family time. We're having the time to paint our walls and clean up our houses. And we have the times to read that book we've always wanted to read. Watch those shows we've been meaning to do. Help your kids with their homework. Like, see what kind of stuff they're into. Like, really spend time with them and get to know the people around you. Like, appreciate the fact that, life has been so busy and we've missed out on so much because we're glued to the phone. What you can really learn about each other, like being with Evelyn in quarantine, we thought we knew everything about each other to begin with, but we really dive into more talking to find out more about each other, and I love that. So again, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day no matter where the hell you happen to be in the world. I'm thinking about you, and I love you guys more than I can say. Thank you for spending time with me today. Mwah. I'll talk to you very soon.